On this special day, we want to recognize and celebrate the extraordinary qualities of mothers everywhere. You are strong, resilient, and possess amazing problem-solving skills that help you navigate through life's challenges with grace and ease. Your love, sacrifice, and unwavering dedication are second to none, and we are in awe of your superhero abilities. At Vampire Tools, we understand that being a mother is no easy feat, but just like our reliable tools, you are equipped to handle any task that comes your way. We are dedicated to providing tools that make your life easier, so you can focus on what matters most, your family. To all the amazing moms out there, we wish you a happy Mother's Day overflowing with love, gratitude, and the recognition that you truly deserve. You are the true superheroes, and we are honored to celebrate you today and every day.